Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM clone 2006 Form 4 Chapter 1 Functions long question. Alright, let me read the question now. Given that fx equals to 2x minus 3 and gx equals to x over 2 plus 2. Okay, for the question part A, they ask to find the f inverse g, and for the question part B, they ask us to find the function h such that hgx equals to 2x plus 4. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to discuss SPM clone 2006 Form 4 Chapter 1 Functions long question now. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let us start our discussion by beginning with the question part A now. Okay, the first step what we need to do in this question is we need to find the f inverse. Okay, so once we find this f inverse, then only we can proceed to find the composite function f inverse g. Okay, so let us start by beginning to find the f inverse first. So to find the f inverse, what you're going to do, we're going to let the f inverse x is equals to y. So this f inverse will be moved over to the right hand side, will become f function y. Okay, so fy will be equals to x in this case. Okay, so from here let us continue. So in this case, fx is equals to 2x minus 3. So since you substitute y into the function fx, so it will become 2y minus 3 will be equals to x in this case. Okay, in this working we need to form equation of y in terms of x. So to find y, what we need to do, okay, so this x you have to plus with 3 and then you have to divide with 2 in this case. So that's how you get this expression of y in terms of x. Y equals to x plus 3 over 2. Okay, remember that in the early working that I let f inverse x is equals to y. Since your y is also equals to f inverse x, therefore you should know that your f inverse x is equals to x plus 3 over 2. Okay, so this is your first step. So I hope you understand the working that I've shown to you so far. So once you've already identified the f inverse, so the next working what you can do is you can proceed to find the f inverse g. Okay, so this is actually a combination of composite function and inverse function. So let us continue our working. Okay, let me pull this paper up. Okay, you rewrite the composite function over here, f inverse g. Okay, in the question, they given you that the function g is x over 2 plus with 2. Okay, so what you can do in the next step is you can combine this separate entity into one single fraction. Okay, so these two you can times with 2 and then you can combine with the x over 2 over here to form a single fraction. Okay, so in the next step it will become f inverse in a bracket x plus 4 over 2, because if you simplify this it will go back into the original function which is x over 2 plus with 2. So I hope you understand this concept, guys. Okay, so once you have the single fraction x plus 4 over 2, now you can map this x plus 4 over 2 into the f inverse. Okay, since your f inverse is x plus 3 over 2, so what they're going to do is this x plus 4 over 2 will be mapped into this place here. Okay, so let me show you the working now. Okay, so x plus 4 over 2 in a bracket plus with 3 and then you divide with 2. Okay, so if I were you, what I will do is I will try to solve the numerator first and then only I will try to proceed the overall fraction. Okay, since you have your 3 here, so what you can do, you can combine these two separate unit into one single fraction. Okay, these 3 you can times with 2, so it will become 6 over 2, and then x plus 4 over 2 you can combine with 6 over 2. So let us proceed to the next working. So this is your next step, guys, where you plus with x plus 4 plus 6 and then you divide with 2 and then bracket you divide the whole fraction by 2. Okay, from here you should get your numerator is equals to x plus 10 over 2. Okay, and then you divide with 2 now. Okay, now only you proceed to divide the whole fraction. Okay, since it involves a whole number here, so these 2 will become a multiplication, but in this case these 2 will become times 1 over 2. In this case, divide 2 will become times 1 over 2. Okay, let me show you the working now. So x plus 10 over 2, you times with 1 over 2. Okay, x plus 10 times with 1, you should get x plus 10. 2 times with 2, you should get is 4. So therefore, your final answer of f inverse g is x plus 10 over 4. So this is your final answer. Alright, I hope you understand the working for the question part A. So let us proceed to the question part B now. Okay, let us proceed our discussion for the question part B. Okay, let us rewrite the whole equation of the question part B, where they give us the composite function of hgx is equals to 2x plus 4. And they also give us that the function gx is equals to x over 2 plus with 2. Okay, so now the only thing we need to find is the function h over here. We know the inside function. The only thing we need to find is the outside function, which is the function h. Okay, we don't know the function h. Okay, let me underline here. So this is the function that we are required to find. So from here, how are you going to continue, guys? Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to show you the step now. So to find the outside function, so you rewrite the whole equation here. hgx is equals to 2x plus 4. Since you know gx is equals to x over 2 plus with 2, so you substitute the whole equation here. And then these two separate entity, you can combine them into one single fraction, which you get x plus 4 over 2. So from here you write h in a bracket, x plus 4 over 2 is equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, so from here the calculation will be slightly different as to compare the inside function, guys. Okay, let us continue. So in this case, to find the outside function, so we're going to let x plus 4 over 2 is equals to u. Okay, you can actually let into any unknown, guys. It's up to you. So x plus 4 over 2 is equals to u. Okay, in terms of x will be equals to 2u minus 4. Okay, let us continue. So from this step onwards, your x plus 4 over 2 will be equals to u, and this x will be equals to 2u minus 4. Okay, I hope you understand the concept behind this. So let us continue. So from here, hu is equals to 2 in a bracket, 2u minus 4, close bracket, plus with 4. Okay, let us continue. And then from here, these two you expand in. So from here you get 4u minus 8 plus with 4. Negative 8 plus with 4 you should get is negative 4. In the next step, you should get your hu is equals to 4u minus 4. Okay, so this is your final answer, where your function hx is equals to 4x minus 4. Okay, alright, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And also not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.